If you're looking to enhance your cooking experience, this T-fal Cookware set, two-piece in Rio Red, is a standout choice. This thoughtfully designed cookware set offers exceptional value, ensuring easy, reliable cooking for everyday meals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this set combines innovation, style, and practicality to help you achieve culinary perfection. In this review, we will dive deep into the unique features, advantages, and potential drawbacks of the T-fal two-piece cookware set. By the end, you'll understand why this cookware set is a must-have for any kitchen. The T-fal two-piece cookware set in Rio Red includes two essential pieces, a 10.5-inch fry pan and an 8-inch fry pan. Both feature T-fal's Thermo-Spot heat indicator, a unique technology that ensures your pans are perfectly preheated. The set is built with T-fal's heat mastery system, which includes a superior non-stick coating and an even heat base, making cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Ergonomically designed handles complement the cookware's performance and aesthetics, making it both safe and comfortable to use. Why choose the T-fal two-piece cookware set in Rio Red? 1. Unique Thermo-Spot heat indicator. One of the standout features of the T-fal cookware set is the Thermo-Spot heat indicator. It's a simple yet brilliant addition that lets you know when the pan has reached the ideal cooking temperature. By turning a solid red, the Thermo-Spot indicates that the pan is preheated and ready to cook. This feature is invaluable for beginners and experienced cooks alike, ensuring that you don't accidentally overheat or underheat your pans. The result? Perfectly cooked food every time. 2. Superior non-stick surface. Another reason to choose the T-fal two-piece cookware set is its superior ProGlide non-stick coating. This non-stick surface withstands the rigors of everyday cooking and ensures your food doesn't stick to the pan. You can fry, sauté, or scramble eggs without worrying about sticky messes. It also makes cleaning a breeze, as food residue slides right off with minimal effort. 3. Even heat distribution. T-fal's heat mastery system is designed for superior heat distribution, thanks to an even heat base that eliminates hot spots. The pans heat up quickly and cook food evenly, reducing the chances of burning or undercooking parts of your dish. This even heat distribution is key to achieving the perfect results, whether you're frying an egg or searing a steak. 4. Stylish and ergonomically designed handles. The ergonomically designed handles on the T-fal two-piece cookware set are color-matched to the Rio Red theme, ensuring both style and functionality. The handles are designed to be heat-resistant, providing safety and comfort while cooking. They are easy to grip, even when the pan is hot, making it easier to flip and stir your food. Moreover, the handles are oven-safe up to 350 T-fals, which allows you to transition from stovetop cooking to oven baking without any hassle. 5. Versatility and easy maintenance. The T-fal two-piece cookware set is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and ceramic. It's also oven-safe up to 350 Fahrenheit, offering versatility for a range of cooking methods. Whether you're roasting a chicken, baking cornbread, or sautéing vegetables, this cookware set can handle it all. Additionally, the T-fal cookware set is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. With its superior non-stick coating and easy-to-clean surface, you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. 6. Built to last. T-fal is known for making durable, long-lasting cookware, and this two-piece set is no exception. With proper care, this cookware set will remain a staple in your kitchen for years to come. The high-quality materials and craftsmanship ensure that your pans will hold up to the demands of everyday cooking. 7. Affordable and high quality. For the price, the T-fal two-piece cookware set offers excellent value. It's an affordable way to invest in high-quality cookware that makes cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're upgrading from older cookware or just starting to build your kitchen, this set provides an accessible option without compromising on quality. Conclusion. This T-fal two-piece cookware set, Rio Red, offers everything you need for everyday cooking in an affordable and stylish package. With its innovative Thermo-Spot heat indicator, superior non-stick surface, and ergonomic handles, this cookware set makes cooking safer, easier, and more enjoyable. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen, whether you're cooking for one or preparing meals for the whole family. If you want to upgrade your cooking experience and enjoy the convenience of reliable, high-quality cookware, the T-fal two-piece cookware set is a solid choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.